Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about bookmarks and how to group bookmarks. Bookmark is a feature in Power BI that helps improve user experience as well as help you to maximize your report page. Imagine you are given a task to create quantity by city as well as quantity by month on top of this particular report. Instead of creating a new page, you can use bookmark to achieve this on the same page. The first thing you're going to do is to go to the view and enable bookmarks and selection if it is not enabled. Mine is enabled. That is why I have the symbol here for bookmarks and symbol for selection. So I'm going to copy this particular visual and paste it. Also, copy this one and paste it on top of that same one. So I'm going to be using this to create that of quantity. So I will turn on my selection to help me to select the right one. So I'll be turning off one and sales by city as well, turning off the other. You can see we now have two. Let me drag this up so that you can. So we have two. I turned off two. So these ones that are turned on, I want to convert them to my quantity. So what I'm going to do is go to my data, sales data here, and sales by month. Instead of sum of sales, I will drag quantity into the y-axis. Right now we have quantity. I am going to change the line so that as to match the other one that we have. Then change the name as well, the title. So we have quantity, quantity by month. So you can see here has been updated as well. Then the next thing I'm going to do the same for city, quantity by city, as well as change the visual that I have there, the measure that I have to quantity. Right now, what we have here is quantity. So that let me collapse all this so you can see. And we have quantity by month and quantity by city. So the next thing is now to set up the bookmark proper. What I'm going to do is to turn on my bookmark as well as my selection pin. So I will right now we have the quantity part turned on. So I will add bookmark, rename the bookmark as quantity. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to turn off the quantity. You can see nothing is showing and turn on the sales. Then add bookmark. Rename this as sales. The next thing we are going to do now is to add the button to be able to navigate from the quantity bookmark to the sales bookmark and vice versa. So how do we achieve that? We're going to insert a button, go down to button, under navigator we have bookmark navigator. You can see that the button already comes in named. Adjust the button. So right now, if you hold down the control key and select sales, this is for sales, then select quantity. It changes to quantity. Now I'm going to format the button to match our color theme. Click on format, size and style. First shape is going to be peel shape, and the style default background is white, and I want the font color to be purple. I want the border color to also be purple. Then on selected, I want the font color to be white, but the fill color will be purple. Okay. So when you select, hold down the control key on desktop. But if it is on service, you don't need to hold down the control key. The next thing we're going to be looking at is how to group bookmarks. Imagine you have a report that requires setting up bookmark per page, in the sense that you have different bookmarks in your report and you want some to show in one page and not show in the other page. So we are going to simulate that now. On this page too, I have a report, Paris Olympics performance by country. Here we already have total gold by country. Assuming we also want to see total silver by country as a graph and total bronze by country. And we want to like set up a bookmark that can help us to do that here. So in order to achieve this, we'll start first by turning off this title. Okay. Then I'll copy and paste this on top of this and turn on my selection pin so that I can, you can see we have, I'll paste it into three because want to set up three different bookmarks. So on total gold by country, I want to change that to bronze. So I will remove total gold and add bronze. So we have bronze by country. Next one, I want to change this to silver. I'll change this to silver. So right now we have our three different reports. Now time to set up the bookmark. So I'm going for gold. I'm going to deselect, that is hide silver and bronze. Then add this bookmark. I'll name it gold. Then hide gold. Then select only silver. Add bookmark and name it silver. Then hide silver. Add bookmark and name this bronze. Next thing is to insert our bookmark navigator. Interestingly, we have all the bookmarks that we've created showing. And you find that this particular bookmark, quantity and sales, are relevant for this particular report. If you go to the first page also, you find out that the bookmark navigator over there has updated too, and bronze, silver, and gold are relevant for this report. So, in order to separate the bookmark that we need, that is where grouping your bookmark comes in. And one interesting thing that I've noticed with Power BI is that even if you click on the bookmark navigator and try to format to select the bookmark that you need, you cannot select, it's default to all unless you group. So, I'm going to click on the quantity, hold down control key to select quantity and sales and group this to group one. You can rename it to whatever you want. Then gold and silver and bronze. This is my group two. So I now have group one and group two. If you go to the format part of the bookmark navigator, you find out that you now have group one and group two. So right now I'm going to select group two for this page. And if I go to this other page, click on the format navigator, then I will select group one. So it has default to my quantity and sales. I'll go back to this and format my bookmark navigator. Style selected. I want the field to be white as well as, let me select. Field is white as well as the font to be purple. And I'm going to turn on the accent bar. This is an interesting feature for the selected. And for you to actually view that, I'm going to increase the width to like 6, the position on the bottom. For silver, once I select silver, bronze, and our bookmark is working. So that is all for this video. Like and share for more. Thank you.